Tina here from Midlife Fabulous, and today I'm going to show you this great little pack from the Luxe Editions. I'm going to show you one of the three of the tools that's in here. It's got three great tools that come with it. It's got the Rose Quartz Roller, which that's the one I'm going to be showing you how I'm using it today. It's got the Gua Sha, which is a beautiful stone made again of rose quartz, and we've got the silicone mask applicator. Let's get in and show you the Rose Quartz Roller. One of the reasons I use it is I just roll it, sit on the couch while I'm watching TV. I like to do about 20 rolls in each spot, but I'm going to go through the benefits and then come back and show you how I do it. So first one's relaxation. Second one, it stimulates blood flow, which then helps our cell regrowth. It helps our skin. It also helps inside and outside. It's also really good if you have tension and pain. If you've had a bad day or come home and you've got a headache, we can get into some of those pressure points with the roller and help ease off the tension and pain. One that I love, it helps with wrinkles and puffiness, because today, woken up with a bit of hay fever eyes and I've got to pop off and do a shoot. So I'm going to show you how I use this around my eyes to help reduce puffiness and the wrinkles around my eye. And the last one, it's really good for a lymphatic drainage. So the body's filtration system is done through our lymph nodes, and we've got a lot of those around our face. So that helps with immunity and it helps with filtration of the toxins out of our body. So the first one is if I'm having an okay day and everything's fine, I just sit on the couch, just roll. I like to do about 20 rolls per area. It just feels good. It's nice and cool. If you actually want it cooler, pop it in the fridge for about an hour before you use it. That makes it really cold. A little cold when you first pop it on your skin, but gee, it feels beautiful. So 20 across around the eyes. I like to always kind of make sure the pressure is even. It's not too hard, not too soft. So I like to roll up. I like to do it around the top of my brows. I do it around my cheeks. I like to always just do it out. I like to put it up along here. Feel my face is dropping a bit. Think I might help it lift it up. So again, I normally do about 20 of each rolls when I'm doing it, just relaxing while I'm watching TV. And I flip it around. Now this is for the reducing of the wrinkles and puffiness around the eye. So use the smaller one around your eye. And again, I like to roll it out and up. We always do up when we're doing face, right? When we're doing moisturizer, serum, out and up. Same with around the top. Do about 20 again on each side. The coolness on that Rose Quartz Roller really helps with the puffiness around your eyes. Again on the other side. Out and up. Now, if you've got a little bit of a headache, bit of tension, there's some pressure points in your head which are very good to use with the roller. So if we go between our eyes and then on the temples. So between your eyes, I like to use the smaller one. Just give it a good medium push, just roll it up and down. You can do it as many times as you want. I tend to stick to about 20, but you can do it as many as you want. Whatever you feel works for you, because you know your body best. It just feels good. And then the other one is just on the side of your temple. That's a pressure point as well. So if you've got a headache, push in and make sure you push it, or actually I'll turn it around from the side of the temple. Push it in and just bring it all the way back through the hair. We're trying to get rid of the tension. You may have some tension in your jaw, and if you do that, I do it around I call it the smile lines. I know that's not the technical term, but I call it that. So I'll give it a roll around there. This one's also for the lymphatic drainage, but we'll come to that. And the tension again, just just around the jaw. A lot of people hold tension around their jaw. Just give it a good roll up. Up and all the way. If you've got tension, up and away. What I try to do is make it go away. Get on this side. And then the last one, which I find is a good one too, I've had a lymphatic drainage massage before, and gee, I felt wonderful after I had it done. So this way you can just do a little bit on your own, and where the lymphatic nodes are around your face tend to be just here in front of the ear, just behind the ear, down your neck, and as I mentioned, around this area as well, the smile lines I'll call it. So what we do, about 20 times, good medium pressure, up, roll it into the ear a couple of times, bring it down around behind the ear and down. So up, in front, around, roll, down. Up, in front, around behind your ear and down. So do that again about 20 times. We're getting rid of the toxins and helping our immune system. Do that on both sides. Around and down. Up, around and down. Up, around and down. Up, around and down. Now you can choose just to use the Rose Quartz Roller from the Luxe Editions just on its own. If your skin's feeling a little dry or dehydrated, pop your serum on first and then use it to rub in your serum. I find that a really, really nice way to do it. I also pop on some eye mask. You know, those little cute eye masks that have really good benefits in it. I like to pop that on my eye first, and then just as that's been on for about its 20 minutes, I give it a roll. Actually, I'm going to show you that. I'm going to pop on some eye products. Now, one of the favorite ways I like to do it is I like to eye mask a lot, because my eyes are my issue that I don't like about my face. I just don't like the wrinkles around my eyes. I feel it's aging me, which, you know, I'm getting old, so but that's all right. So I like to relax with an eye mask on. I put that on for about 20 minutes, and then for about the last minute, I just grab my tool again on the smaller side, and I just rub it, just to get those last bits of the moisture from the pad working into my wrinkles. Medium push, medium to light push I do on this one, because as you saw, if you push too hard, it lifts the pad, but just medium to light. Then once those have been on for about 20 minutes, I remove those and push the last bit of the serum into my eyes. Gee, that feels beautiful. Gosh, if that was in the fridge for an hour beforehand, that would just be so soothing on my eye. And the last one, I just want to say, if you are using a sheet mask on your face, a really great way to do it is just pop a little bit of warm water over the tool. So let's do the reverse. Pop a little bit of warm water over the tool. Just warm it up a little, only if you've got a sheet mask on. And then just go over the top of the sheet mask to really get that serum into your face. So I hope that's helped you a little bit. I hope you've learned a bit how to use the tool. Let's just recap quickly. Lightly roll around your face any way you want. If you're just wanting to stimulate your blood flow, just give it a good roll around the nose, along the top, along the lips. If you've got tension between the eyes and on the side, and bring it out to get rid of it. And if you want to give yourself a lymphatic drainage, up, around, down. Up, front of the ear, around and down. And there you go. That is the Rose Quartz tool from the Luxe Edition. I've got to say, I can't believe I haven't found this earlier. Well, I did find it, I just never got around to getting one. So if you are in the same boat as what I was and on the cusp of thinking whether should I buy one or not, I would definitely recommend buying one. Pop onto the Luxe Editions and have a look. They've got some great deals going. Enjoy your day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you found it useful, then I'd love if you could subscribe. And if you do have a question, please pop it in the box below and I'd be happy to answer it for you.